In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to unlock Director Mode in GTA 5 Story Mode. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how you can find and access Director Mode. In here, you will be able to record unique movies using various different actors, settings, and so on. So, in order to do this, you just have to enter GTA 5, and once you are able to move your character around, all that you have to do is pause the game, and then you will have a bunch of options at the top of the screen. If you go over all the way to the right, after Store, you will be able to find Rockstar Editor. This is where you will be able to access Director Mode. Now, something that I need to make very clear is that you will not be able to access Director Mode if you are playing GTA 5 on PlayStation 3 or Xbox 360, so keep that in mind. Rockstar never added Director Mode for those consoles. You will only be able to do it if you are on a PC or PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 or Xbox One and Xbox Series S or X. So when you go over to Rockstar Editor, you will be able to press the respective button. For me, it's going to be Enter. And you will be able to browse through all of the options here. So you can create a new project, load a project, and so on. And one of the options is going to be Director Mode. It gives you the ability to select a different character from the casting trailer, roam the map, and record unique clips. So go ahead and enter Director Mode. If you don't have it, as soon as you start Story Mode, make sure that you progress just a little bit. I haven't progressed much, but still I have access to it. So as long as you play for a couple of minutes, you should be able to find the option there. And now, once you are inside of Director Mode, you are free to explore all of the options. So you will be able to browse through all of the actors that you can access. So as you can see, you have different outfits. You can choose from any of them, and you will load in the map for GTA 5 Story Mode. You will be able to browse through everything available here, and you will be able to play and record. You will see the Director Mode logo at the top right corner of the screen, and some actors will be able to use weapons, you will be able to load vehicles, and so on. I'm not going to go too much in depth on what you can do inside of the Director Mode. I simply wanted to showcase how you can access it. I recommend you do your own research to learn how to record your own unique clips. I hope I was able to help you on how to unlock Director Mode in GTA 5 Story Mode. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.